Hello and welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look at this beautiful app, and the recording has already started. As we can see, you can press this button to start the recording. You can delete it again with a dialog, but we say no here, and yeah, we can start it again, as you can see, but we can also say it's finished. And here I already put before, give it a name or whatever you like. The language you can also put as a metadata to this audio, and we are, as a little context, we are already kind of logged in as a user in Firebase, and we work with Firebase in general. So this audio or this recording we have just recorded will be pressing this button, which has no feedback, but it is a button. Now it is recorded, and yeah, we could make a toast or something, but I didn't do that this time. And as you can see here in the logcat, the logcat is pretty pretty nice, but you can see somewhere here, here. No, where is it? Whatever. It doesn't matter. You can look it up yourself. I put the code in the description piece by piece because this will probably be a video which will take, or a video series, because it's so much. As you can see, it's a pretty big code here. And you have also the recording service, which is like this, and you have also, of course, the published tutorial activity layout file. And for this video we will start with this layout file, and in general pretty easy. We have a relative layout. In the bottom we have, or yeah, let's start here, let's start in the middle. There's a linear layout here. Oh, look at this German language here, what is that? And yeah, it's called publish bar. There's all the necessary things inside. You can put as well other stuff inside. If you want to put more metadata to the audio, you can. For example, I did as well, but I deleted here to make it easy. And yeah, this edit text is for putting in the name of the audio, which we have, I think we chose give it a name, yes. And here is the language. Here's another relative layout, by the way, in this bigger linear layout, because it's necessary. And yeah, in this relative layout there is, of course, language. Then the image button, you can press this one to like switch through the languages, and at the moment it's German here, as you can see, but this is adaptive to whatever language you have on your smartphone. For example, here, if we try again, here it was English, because the smartphone is English, and I have implemented some weird stuff in the code. For example, if you go to the activity, you can see here this one. This is the language utils. I should probably also put this code in the description so you can use it. This is the adaptive code, so it knows. For example, if I click on it, it's here language utils.java. And yeah, it updates the language and blah 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 blah. There's also some random shit here inside. Yeah, that's how it works. And I just want to show you a bit how it goes on with the progress bars here, and as well, what is this? I don't know what this is, but yeah. There's the publish button on the right side here, beautiful, which has no feedback. Yeah, that's a big problem. You should put feedback inside as well, but yeah, that's on you. Then here, annotated in German, it's the row and the bottom. We have, yeah, this row. Yeah, don't ask me why this is German. I don't know myself. It's just funny, I think. And yeah, there's the one button is normal button, and this one is the same, basically. And image button in the middle, it's called the record button. And this button can either, this is important to understand for the usage and for the code of the app. This button is either it can start in a recording from scratch. For example, you have not done anything in the before, and then it will start from scratch. Or it can also continue or resume a recording, or stop or pause, better to say, pause a recording which has already started. And yeah, this will, you will see those are two different things that we have to look at those apart in the later stage. Yeah, and this is the easy layout. And here I didn't show that this is the countdown, not the countdown, but the count up basically. But yeah. So I think this will just be an introduction video, so you can see how this app is structured. And I will go through this code piece by piece to explain everything, and yeah, to give a little overview about it. We have here, for example, the buttons. So, to start, this is the publish tutorial Java file. It handles all the stuff we do here. Yeah, it handles all the stuff. And when we click on this button in the real app, then in fact I go back, delete. Should the recording be deleted? Yes. And yeah, you can see what happens now. And if I click on this, you see on the top there's a notification plopped up, and this is the recording active here. And this means that the recording doesn't take place in the published tutorial Java file. It takes place in a service, and this is pretty interesting and also obligatory to make it a good application. You could also put the recording inside the published tutorial here. I did it before as well because I didn't know better, and then I found out, oh no, I should put in the service. So I built this service as well, and it's very hard, and you can be lucky that I put this on the on the thing for you. But I will also try to explain everything to you piece by piece, detail by detail. And yeah, this means, by the way, extends app compat activity. This is the app compat activity. This is why there is it extends, and the implements means recording service.tutorial, recording state change listener. It means, for example, when we have this going on, for example, it's recording all the time, and it has to update, for example, every second. It has to update here the seconds, and this is a state change listener, for example. Yeah, this is not important for, this is just for the log messages, but I can recommend it very well. And yeah, just to give what I wanted to do before, this video will stay under 10 minutes for sure. Those are the buttons, or whatever, content stuff, to visual content stuff. And these are for the Firebase. As I told you, we work with Firestore. I will show in the upcoming videos how this looks also in the console. This is important for uploading the file, and this is for the recording beginning, and here the service initiations, and also some random tutorial start preferences I built in, which are not so important for the project, but I built them in anyways. And then the on-crate will start, but yeah, this will be in the next video. Yeah, I hope this was a good introduction, and I hope you're interested in how this app works. And yeah, I will finish now the first part.